Ask Tom on Home Show.
Jesse from Tiffin, Ohio has a question about a concrete sealer.
Yeah, he just got a brand new driveway, Tom, and Jesse writes, I live in Houston and listen to you, but I also have another home up in northern Ohio, and you get much farther north of Tiffin and you're going to get your feet wet in the Great Lakes. Anyway, he says he just put a new concrete driveway in, and do I need to follow up with some kind of concrete sealer on it, Tom? That part of Ohio does get a lot of snow. Would a sealer help concrete in that kind of environment, Tom?
No, don't put a sealer on. Not for snow. The thing you have to worry about was snow, and I remember this from my days way back when in Lake Placid, but all the driveways there were either dirt or they were asphalt. So people would redo the asphalt every few years and make them look fresh and black and smelly. But as far as that goes, your snowplow guys, if you're going to have your driveway snowplowed, that's the ones that are going to tear it up, and you can seal all day long. That's not going to help you. So the answer to the sealer is don't put anything on there. Just let it be. Concrete is concrete. Freezing, it's going to freeze. It's going to thaw. It's going to be a driveway, concrete driveway, just like everywhere else. If you don't have any trees and stuff, hopefully you won't get any cracking issues. If it's built nice and built well, and you have either a manual snow blower, which is a shovel, or you have some of the new ones now are more gentle, then you shouldn't hurt it with your snow blowers. And if you have someone scrape it and they go through fast and quick, man, they're 4 a.m. and they're hitting driveway after driveway after driveway. You'd be surprised some of the damage they can do, and you won't know it until spring.
Yeah, I remember I grew up in those parts up in the north, the frozen north as well. And most everyone had a dirt driveway because of that guy at 4 a.m. who'd come blowing up. Yeah, it's like
you don't plant your hedges too close because they just room and they're out of there. And so there's a hedge gone. I
wonder if what Jesse was wondering, Tom, is that what I remember of concrete up there was the frost heaves and things would get underneath there, like you're saying, a tree or something would heave it, or the sealer's
not going to help.
That's my question. Yeah, sealer's not going to fix that.
No, that's just for cosmetics, so it doesn't get stained. It looks nice and clean when you pressure wash it. The dirt doesn't get down in there. But as far as the freeze and all that, that's why it has to be built to different specifications in those areas. And your frost freeze heaves and stuff, that's because if water gets under there, you're doomed. So you got to make sure that it's not got any breaches in it and things of that nature. But as far as painting down a sealer, that's not going to help a bit.
All right. Save your money and get free answers like Jesse did. Click on that blue Ask Tom button at HomeShowRadio.com, and we'll answer your question the same way. And you can send us in writing or you can send us a video. But what really helps, and I wish I could have seen the picture of his new driveway. Jesse could have attached a picture there because pictures help us do a better job for you. And we want to post things that are helpful. That's why there are hundreds of these videos at our YouTube channel. And of course, you'll see the newest ones posted at HomeShowRadio.com.